Why are my InDesign documents slow, and how can styles fix it? Imagine working on a big project in Adobe InDesign and suddenly everything feels sluggish. Pages take forever to load, and updates seem to lag behind your commands. It can be frustrating, but understanding what causes this slowdown can help you fix it. One common reason InDesign runs slow is because of complex documents with many pages, images, and objects. High-resolution images especially put a strain on your computer. If you have hundreds of pages with detailed graphics, InDesign has to work harder to display everything smoothly. Another factor is your display performance settings. If you set it to show images at the highest quality, InDesign redraws detailed previews constantly. This can slow down your workflow, especially on computers with less memory or processing power. Switching to a lower setting, like typical display performance, can make a big difference. Live Preflight and Live Screen Drawing are helpful features that check for errors and update your view in real time. But if you have many errors or complex layouts, these features can consume a lot of resources, making your document feel sluggish. Turning off or delaying these options can improve speed. Page thumbnails and master page previews are also culprits. When you open the Pages panel, InDesign generates small previews for each page and master page. If you have a large document, this process can slow things down. Disabling thumbnail previews or limiting the number of pages in the panel can help. Saving preview images with your document increases file size and processing time. If you do not need these previews, turning them off will reduce the load on InDesign. Also, if you have many hyperlinks that are constantly being verified, this can slow your work. Turning off hyperlink auto-verification can speed things up. Now, here is where styles come into play. Using paragraph and character styles means you define formatting once and apply it everywhere. Instead of manually changing fonts, sizes, or colors on each page, you just apply a style. This reduces the amount of unique formatting data InDesign needs to process. Object styles work similarly for frames, images, and other graphic elements. Applying object styles keeps things consistent and speeds up rendering because InDesign recognizes and reuses these styles instead of recalculating each object individually. Master pages are another big help. They store common elements like headers, footers, or page numbers once and apply them across many pages. When you update a master page, all pages linked to it update automatically. This saves time and keeps your file size manageable. Using styles and master pages also makes updating your document easier. If you decide to change a font or move a logo, you only need to update the style or master page. InDesign then updates all instances instantly, saving you from editing each page manually. To improve your workflow, set your display performance to typical instead of high quality. Turn off live preflight and screen drawing if you do not need constant error checking. Disable page and master page thumbnails in the Pages panel. Avoid saving preview images unless necessary. Stick to using styles and master pages consistently. This keeps your document organized and reduces the workload on InDesign. If you have many hyperlinks, turn off auto-verification unless you need it for proofing. By combining these tips, adjusting display settings, turning off unnecessary features, and using styles and master pages, you can make your InDesign documents run faster. This way, you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Styles help by limiting the number of unique formatting instructions, which makes updating and rendering your project much smoother.